Hi guys, I am going to try to do this mega quick because I just found out I have to go somewhere, but how often do I get time with where? Sleeping Kitty? Okay. This is Wolf and Thyme. This is the lowest rung of box, not quality wise or anything, but lowest price of the 3 boxes that are offered. Actually, this is not, I don't subscribe to this. I got it after I saw an unboxing of it on June Mermaid's channel, and I needed it. I had to have it. And fortunately, there were some extras that they had announced and put into the Wolf and Thyme shop, and you could just buy the past boxes individually. And I got there in time, and there, I don't know what the status is right now. All 3 of the December boxes were on there, but I bought this one, and it came the same day as my Luna Lux box came. So here we go. I'm just going to show you what's in it real quick. We have a little artwork. I think I would want to say this is 5x7 watercolor. You can see how she does it on her channel. She's a wonderful artist. I don't do watercolor. I have watercolors and have never tried them, so she has inspired me to try watercolors. So I'm going to dig those out and have some fun and see what I can do. But I love this. Arctic Fox. I wanted to say wolf, but the Luna Lux had the wolf. We have a little Yule log spell kit. I don't like to show what the spells say because, you know, people write spells, they're very kind of personal, you know. I just don't like to broadcast them. I don't know, it's just my thing. But all the instructions are in here, and there's a cinnamon stick, a little piece of oak tree fallen, and a little piece of cedar, and you tie them all up and you do something with them in a ritual. So that is your Yule log ritual. If you don't have a Yule log, here a moon sticker on this box, and I love this when I saw this on. This is a triple chain necklace. So you wear it in layers, and they're different lengths, and at the bottom, at the pendant length, is a little moon. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. This is half the reason I got the box. I was never much of a jewelry person, but lately, wow, I am. So we have that. What else do we have? We had in a little bag, a white organza bag. This is a ruby. Oh, duh, why don't you put the light on? That would be smart. Ruby Oocyte, also called Annualite. I think it's Annualite. You see the ruby in there? This is actually a Oocyte is related, well, Tanzanite is a kind of Oocyte, so that's what I'm trying to say. They're related, kind of, but Tanzanite you only find in Tanzania, and that's why it's so spendy. But this is ruby Oocyte, and it's green and pink. I would think it's a heart chakra. Look how sparkly it is. I've never seen one like that. I don't think I have a piece this big. Or the piece I have is tumbled and it doesn't sparkle. I love the sparkle. What was I saying? But I read somewhere else where it's more of a root chakra, so I have to look that up. I'm not really sure. I would say heart chakra just because of the colors, but what do I know? Tipsy snowball fights. Oh yes. Joyful Spirit herbal tea. Orange peel, elderberries, lemon myrtle, licorice root, chamomile, spearmint, and stevia leaves. And you have the tea bag on the back. And I can't wait to try this. I will not be trying it now. I am in a hurry. I think that's it for this box, except for the last thing, which another reason I got this, Whispering Woods. Now I just moved to the woods pretty much. It's a community in the woods. So, well, not like a, we're not on top of each other. I have a little wooded backyard and stuff, but I love the woods. And I saw these, and look at the little creatures. Look at the little, oh, look at my chipped nail polish that I just put on yesterday. But I love this so much, and I love everything woodland, and I'm decorating my house in like kind of a woodland theme, and I'm not going to go through all these, but these are just oracle cards. You just ask your question, and you pick a card, and you get your little advice from the wilderness, and the little squirrels, and is that a rabbit? I think that's a rabbit. Let go. There we go. Patience. Oh, look at all the words I'm getting today. Resilient. Teach. Oh, I love these. So these will be cleansed and utilized. And this is the Wolf and Thyme box, the basic box for December of 2020. And in the background, my cat Asia is still sleeping. How about that? She is using the Luna Lux box to sleep in, but I'm sure that later on she'll crawl into that box because you know how cats are with boxes. She's very happy with the box, by the way. As am I. With all these Wolf and Thyme boxes, they're gorgeous, they're different, they're original, they're artistic, and very earthy. And I just really, really do love these boxes. And I'll have all the information you need below. And that being said, it's time for me to go. All right. I have something in the works, a different kind of video, not an unboxing or a revealing, because somehow I can't unbox. I'm always stopped from just unboxing things, but yeah, I have something else in the works. I hope I can get it out by the weekend, but I'm not sure with the time constraints that I have. But we'll see. Keep an eye out. I might have something brand new coming to you starting next week. All right, this is Kat, and I will be seeing you around the internet. Bye.